Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by securing your Virustotal API key and confirming your plan's rate limits. This unlocks access to endpoints immediately. Once done, install dependencies. Use pip install requests or the official Virustotal Python wrapper so you can focus on logic instead of HTTP plumbing. Make sure to pick a representative sample file or URL and run tests in an isolated folder to avoid accidental uploads. From here, you're ready to initialize the client and perform the first API call to verify authentication and connectivity. Now you'll implement the upload and scan workflow. Authenticate every request with your API key and headers or the client object so the server accepts transactions. Next, submit a file upload in chunks for large binaries or post a URL to the URL scanning endpoint, then capture the analysis ID returned. Once you have that ID, poll the analysis endpoint with exponential backoff. This avoids hitting rate limits and ensures you get the final report once processing completes. Finish by parsing the JSON report. Pull overall verdicts, individual engine detections, file hashes, and useful metadata so you can act on findings programmatically. Once parsed, cache reports locally or in a DB to avoid repeated queries and to respect rate limits while speeding future checks. If you hit errors, log HTTP status codes and response messages, confirm your API key scope and quota, then rerun with a short delay. These steps will resolve most connectivity and quota issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.